It's Charlie Lobs here today, and I'm with this Holmes Blizzard desk fan from 2009. Yep, there it is. It's called the Blizzard. Yeah, so it's got 2 speeds and off. And let's get started and run it. Okay, I'll start it off on speed 1. And this is a good air mover. It could cool a small room alone. There it is. And it rotates, as you can see. Oops. Now I turned it to speed 2. I can't tell which one's faster. And then, see this, guys? If you pull up on it, the fan doesn't rotate. So, yeah, guys. That is basically it. Thanks for watching. And, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.